Hello everyone, welcome. Let's talk about the web application we're going to be build. It's basically a e-commerce online bookstore. So it sells books, but it's not limited to books. So the project covers a lot of stuff. It covers like user management. A user needs to sign up. A user need to log in. A user need to retrieve his password, and then there should be automatic email to remind the user. Also, the user can update his profile and add, register his own shipping, billing, and payment information. And also, you can have your management for your products. That's the books, like the book price, book title, description, and a lot of stuff like that. And also, you have the shopping cart to maintain the books for each user that added to the shopping cart. You need to check out order and submit the order and deal with the order history. And also, um, there'll be order, you know, detailed information retrieved from the user as he submit the order. He can retrieve those information. Okay, so there are a lot of functionality involved in this project, and this project basically uh, deployed or can be considered two parts. First is the front end, which is the book website you see right now. This is the front end bookstore. This will be used for the customer, okay, as front end side. And then there will be a back end that the admin can sign in, do some work like, add books, maintain books, delete books, edit the book information, stuff like that. And whatever books um, added or updated will be displayed in the front end. So those two servers share the same database. This separation between the front end and the back end, or say bookstore and admin portal, has a lot of advantages. Like they're decoupled, so they have two different requirements. One is focused on administration for books and whatever important admin information. The other is focused on user experience. The downside is that you need to maintain two copies. Sometimes, like for entities, domain models, you have to maintain two copies of the code. Okay. But anyway, let's take a quick tour about the website. So here's the index page, and it has books. Browse books from the shelf, store hours and directions, and FAQ. So this basically will take us to some static page. Not quite attracting. This is just some general information that a regular website will have. We have some featured books. This show you the layout, but it's just dummy content right now. I'll leave to you guys later that add the book cover and the link is pretty straightforward. And then the footer is just dummy content. Okay, so the real meat comes to when you have the books, when you browse the books. Here are the books information. It has category on the left side. You can choose different categories: fiction, programming. It's like, and then the book. Each book has its cover, title, publication date, author, format, number of pages, and our price and the previous price or list price, description. We have pagination and number of entries, fuzzy search. So if I just want to search for management, something like that, and then we can change entries, number of entries. Now it's 10 entries. Okay, so we click on the book, it goes to the detailed information of the book. All right, so here you have more info covered here, like shipping weight, category, language, things like that, publisher, and list price, our price. Now you can choose the quantity and add to cart. Okay, and in order to add to cart, you have to log in as a user. So once you log in, you can go to shopping cart. Here is a shopping cart. You have one product. Let's add another one. Here that you can update the quantity. Okay. You can delete a entry. So I'm not gonna delete it right now. You can check out. So on the checkout menu on the left side, it has a summary of the order, total before tax, estimate tax, and the total of order. And then on the right side is just a bunch of information for shipping, payments, and review items. So the user can register his own shipping and billing information from his My Account that he can register and set the default ones or add new ones. Okay, and then he can come back, modify the ones that he added before. So it's the shipping. Okay, so once they have his own information added, you can choose which one to use. So for example, right now is this one. I'm gonna use a different one, or I can just direct type in, whatever stuff I want. Okay, and I can set the same as shipping address for billing. So this is disabled, and after that, you can choose type of shipping, ground or premium. And if everything seems good to me, $78 for books, it's pretty cheap. Place the order. Now we're gonna go to the email. I'm currently using a Gmail account of mine, and so the email will be sent to the email that user has registered with the summary of the order. So if you go ahead and take a look. So here's the email. This is the order confirmation, like billing and shipping. As we have said, shipping is the same as billing, right? The payment information, the ordered item title, price, quantity, subtotal, and total price. Okay. So that's the checkout process. And also, a user can, let's see, a user can create a new account, type in the name and email. If the name already exists, it's gonna complain for that. All right. You can also choose forget email or forget password. As long as you have a valid email, you can submit, and then there will be a retrieving email sent to your account. So like this email, I have the password given, random generated strings, and if you can come to this page, it's automatic login. 24 hours enabled. We can change the time, but right now I set it to 24 hours valid link, and I can change the password as I want. But I have to type in the current password. Then the password has to be matched, otherwise it's disabled. Okay, I can save and change the password. So I can add my own billing and shipping information. Okay. And I can also look at orders that I have placed. This is the order detail. And I can also search the books by its title. Here, oops, did I type the wrong name? Let's try that again. Management. Yeah. It's a fuzzy title search, or I can just type in MANA. You should be able to find whatever contains that. Okay. So that's pretty much for the front end. For the admin side, it's pretty similar. I have to log in, and I can read book list, pagination, entries. I can choose which one to delete, and I can just delete the one that I don't like here. I can view the information of the book. If I want to change something, I can add the information of it. I can type rich content, for description. Choose image, okay. Make the book inactive so that the book won't be found in the bookshelf. And now I can add a new book, so everything will be completely new. So that's pretty much what you need for a admin page, okay. So that's an overview of the project. It's gonna take some time to get this done, but studying anywhere is better than not studying, okay. So let's just get going and start to work on this project. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.